Hey guys, welcome back real quick here to the Hillside for a really short video. I just want to talk to you guys about pollinating plants, okay? Or plants for pollinators more specifically. Now I know you're probably thinking of planting, wildflowers or things such as this, but have you ever thought or considered parsley as a beneficial pollinator plant? Now I let this parsley overwinter, which is a biennial, so it'll flower the second year, but check it out. Look how many bees and flies and beneficial, the parasitic wasps. I don't know all the names off the top of my head, but this entire plant is buzzing, pun intended. But man, there are so many bees, there are flies, even they're just, it's just covered in pollinators. Now, if you kind of look back here a little bit, if you've ever seen a parsley plant go to seed, there are tons and tons and tons of flowers on this, and this thing is just swarming. Right, there are just so many pollinators all around it. So if you've never considered growing parsley for a beneficial plant to attract pollinators, I guarantee you that if you do, it'll be very, very beneficial to your garden and the overall just health of your backyard ecosystem. So there you go, guys. Just a really quick Hillside update here on using parsley as an attractant for beneficial pollinators. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.